Hey guys, this is Lamonster at Lamonster Garage, and this is something that we've never really done before, but we're going to go ahead and let you guys know about one of our premier dealers on the East Coast. Lamonster Garage has really grown, especially in the Spyder world, and we have over 500 SKUs for the Can Am Spyder. And we have some really good dealers. We have over 120 dealers set up, and we ship all over the world. But I wanted to tell you about MotoMember. MotoMember is in Purcellville, Virginia. I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but I looked it up on a map, and it's kind of in the Washington, D.C. area. But they are the largest Can Am dealer on the East Coast, and they've hooked up with us, I'm not sure, a few months back, and they're becoming one of our largest stocking dealer. So if you've got parts that you want installed, to be able to actually walk in, touch, feel them, look up a MotoMember at Purcellville, Virginia. Look them up on the internet, and you can go into their showroom. They have a huge showroom. They're a multi-line, but they really specialize in Can Am and the Spyder. And they are experts at installing our parts. They can recommend the right parts to you, and they can, fit them to you as needed. If you're doing highway brackets or any of our adjustable products, they can make sure that it's adjusted right. They're versed well in all our wiring, so they really a good dealer to check out, and not just because they're a huge dealer, but they really back the Lamonster Garage products, and we want to back them too. We get dealers out there that customers are coming in asking for our products. These guys have ponied up, and they stock most all our products, definitely all of our fast-moving products, and they're good installers. We can recommend them for that. So check them out, MotoMember, Virginia, and I think you'd be happy. They are authorized Lamonster Garage dealer. Thank you.